Hello everyone and welcome back. Here to start a small garden. So today I'm excited to share with you guys on how to start an indoor herb gardens from seed for beginners at home or this coming winter. So this is from Environet. It's a herb garden starter kit. So this kit comes with cocoa coir. This is something from coconuts, and it is really very convenient. It has comes with tools. It's so cute, as you can see, guys. And then it has some comes with organic seeds already. These are amazing. It comes with 10 different herbs, so it is pretty cool. It's really like really great gift set for herbs lovers or really indoors or garden lovers, vegetables, and people who love to garden. It comes with a little packet of instructions for a beginner guide to planting herbs, and comes with a burlap. And look at this, it is so cute. It says culinary herb garden. It has some plastic covering on the inside, and it comes with a holes at the bottom, so it is pretty cute, really. So let's see how big it is. It's roughly like 4 inches in size. You can use it for really starting seeds, but let's see if the plant really already becomes big. I think we need to transfer it in a bigger pot, so it's pretty cool. Now let's remove this coir, and I have here's a little bit container. Just decided to put it in a container than to directly put it in a pot, so I can see just how much I would love to fill the cup. So this is so really amazing. Just put water to kind of expand it. As you can see, guys, it will absorb the water, so you can just add little by little to the coir. Or really, this is really like an amazing alternative for a garden soil if you don't have available garden soil right now. And it is really amazing because it is very different from garden soil, because it is really comes from one source, so from coconuts. And as you see, we already wet the cocoa, so I'm gonna put them individually in the burlap. These are the pots that we're going to put the seeds later. So as you can see, it is just really moist and not too saggy or watery, the consistency. And I'm going to use the second batch for it, the same procedure that I showed you guys a while ago. Just add water to expand it and wait a little bit. And then I decided to mix it because I've noticed the cocoa coir is really not enough for all the burlap bags or pots, so I added some and mixed them together with sand soil that I have from the backyard. And here let's go to one of the most exciting parts, which is planting seeds. So here we have 10 different kinds of seeds, and it's really very exciting to just pour them all in their pots, respective pots. But really you may want to keep in mind to just have a few, not just one to plant, because let's see the germination of the seeds. It is my first time planting this type of seeds and packets, so we're gonna start with this seeds, which is the cilantro. I haven't planted cilantro in my entire life, so I'm just gonna put some couple of seed here. And let's go with lavender as well. And then And then let's go to thyme. Thymes, this one is really very tiny, the seeds. And please comment down below, guys, what is your favorite indoors plants to grow this winter or from seeds? If any, please comment down below. They are so really very cute. We already have the chives and parsley, and then we have the dill. It's something very very tiny. It's so amazing that they can grow so big, and also very amazing. Herbs really can be very good to garnish in your meals, and we have them. And so far, if you have mild weather there, like a winter, I think you can let them grow outside or outdoors. But really, for this winter, especially here right now in Florida, for this coming winter, I plan to grow them indoors and grow them under the grow light and see what will happen, because it really is my first time growing herb gardens or herb plants. So there it is. We have basil, rosemary, sage, oregano, dill, parsley, chives, thyme, lavender, and cilantro. Now, these are amazing herbs, so we can try and really look forward to growing them indoors. So here we are in the room that I'm really using grow lights right now, along with my other pots and plants that I would like to share with you guys next time. So there you guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, please comment down below. I'll be subscribed for more videos. There are playlists there for you. You want to check it out if you're curious about different vegetables that you can grow at home or in your garden. If you're just starting, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.